At the Founder Institute, we want to help founders build meaningful, enduring tech companies. And one of our startup mentors and partners is Rebecca Dooley, who is one of the platinum sponsors for Founder Institute in this part of the world. We lead the local team here, and we are passionate about wanting to help you, founders, build these meaningful and enduring tech companies. Well, we are the world's largest global network of startup accelerators, investors, and advisors. As many of you know, there is a founder journey. And in the earlier part of the journey, there can be education. Then there are incubators, accelerators. Then there's getting funding and then seed funding. At the Founder Institute, we specialise as an accelerator at a pre-seed stage, helping you refine your idea, refine your team, refine your approach to the market before you go on to get funding. And it all starts with what we call the core program. And this is a 13-week program where we help refine your idea for it to get validated, to build your product, and to think hard about your revenue. And beyond the core program, we have advanced accelerators to help you get funding, to build your leadership skills, and then to get access to funding. And this is some of our alumni, and there are a number of companies from our part of the world, including Checkbox, GameFace, GoFar, Sydney-based company, Houdini. At the Founder Institute, we want to help build communities, build funds, but at our core, we are about building startups. One of the things that we like founders to take part in is to perform an assessment of their entrepreneurial DNA. So it's a psychographic test, which is free to take, and it gives you a report. Are you a prodigy? And we find this is super helpful in being able to work out what your strengths are and also how you can find the strengths of your co-founders. One of the things that the Founder Institute is proud of is this startup rule of one. Solve one problem, not 100. Try to find who your one customer is going to be. Work out what the one product is to solve that one problem. Make sure that product has a killer feature and find one revenue stream. If you go through this process, you will realize that it is a proven methodology by focusing, and that's what we do at the Founder Institute through this core program. We have these sequential, aggressive growth sprints so that you can test who your one customer is, who your one product and your killer feature is, what your one revenue stream is going to be. Our platform is designed to help you put your startup idea through its paces. A recent report put out by Murray and the team at Startup Muster has found that an increasing number, so from 2018 it was 25% of startups, 2023 it was 32%, now in 2024 nearly 40% of startups have benefited from being part of an accelerator or incubator like Founder Institute. And one of the big things that we do, apart from networking, mentorship, it's peer support. We like providing raw feedback, unfiltered feedback, so that you can improve quickly. The feedback is actionable, stuff that you can do immediately so that your business can improve. And we are supported by a team of wonderful mentors, people who have been there and done that. Now, one of the things at the Founder Institute is the Equity Collective, where we ask founders who want to take part in the full program to provide a little share of the upside in their business to leaders, to mentors, and to Founder Institute headquarters. And these are the types of benefits that you get beyond our program. You get over $3 million in partner discounts, access to over 25,000 mentors, and a lifetime of support. One of those alum features is the Funding Lab to help you get funding. And Gagan Biani, this is what he has to say about Founder Institute. You might have used Udemy before. Without Founder Institute, Udemy may never have raised any money. We're here to help, but FI is hard. And this is what Jason Calacanis says about Founder Institute. We're all about empowering. We're open, raw, honest. And we run our next program in February 2025. It'll run till June. If you're interested in learning more, please reach out to Paul or I, and there's some of the socials that you can contact us on. And we will be running a few more events in early 2025. The Mad Libs is a one sentence way to pitch your business that was developed by Founder Institute. You can see it here. My company is developing to help solve a particular problem with the secret sauce. What is that killer app? What is that thing that you do specially? For KFC, it might be their 11 herbs and secret spices. For SpaceX, what do you think of this? Developing liquid oxygen propelled levitation enablers. Who knows what that is? The human race? That audience is too big. Solve a problem with this secret sauce. So this is a bad example. Let's go to the good example. Space rockets, governments, telcos, launch satellites, lower price, reusable rocket. So you can see how it's being super clear about what you do using less jargon.